Half of the year, India remains under the domain of monsoon, either incoming or retreating. Due to high precipitation, India is traversed by several large rivers. Welcome to my channel Globe Time. Today in this video I am discussing the river system and Indus River system. River system. The flow of water through well defined channels is known as drainage, and the network of such channels is known as drainage system. Indian rivers may be classified into following groups: Himalayan river system and peninsular river system. Himalayan river system. Himalayan river system is linked up with three mighty river systems. First, Indus river system, Ganga river system, and Brahmaputra river system. Indus, one of the largest river in Asia. It flows through China, India, and Pakistan. The Indus originates from a glacier near Bokhachu and at an elevation of 4,164 meters above mean sea level. It is situated in the Kailash mountain range. From source region, the Indus River flows 250 km from southeast to northwest and entire Kashmir region. In Kashmir, the Indus flows between Jaskar and Ladakh mountain through deep valley from southeast to northwest. Near Bunji, Indus flows southward, crossing 90 km, entered the Pakistan near Childar in Daristan region. It is the westernmost of the Himalayan river in India. Westernmost of the Himalayan river in India. In India, it is also known as the Sindhu, and in the Tibet, the Indus is known as Singhi Khamban or lion's mouth. Finally, the Indus discharges into the Arabian Sea. Indus is 2,880 km. In India, 1,114 km, but some book it is 709 km only. Indus is an antecedent river. Antecedent rivers are those that originated prior to the upliftment of land and next time they have maintained their present course through continuous downcutting of their valley. Indus passes gigantic gorge at the elevation of 4,500 meter to 5,200 meter near Nanga Parvat Massif. Gigantic Gorge elevation of 4,500 meter to 5,200 meter. Tributaries. There are so many tributaries in Indus River system. A tributary is a freshwater stream that feeds into a larger stream or river. The larger or parent river is called the main stream. The point where a tributary meets the main stream is called the confluence. Tributary is also called affluents. Do not flow directly into the ocean. Upper part tributaries of Indus. The main tributaries of upper part in the Indus are Gilgit River, originates from Sandur Lake and joins Indus River near Gilgit town. Next, Shyok River, originates from Remo Glacier and flows southeasterly. After crossing 550 km, it meets with Indus River. Next, Jaskar River. It is north flowing tributary of Indus. Originates from Stot River. And other tributaries are Hunja River, Nubra River, Sigar River, Gusting River and Dras River. Lower part tributaries. In the lower part, the Sultej, the Beej, the Ravi, the Chenab and the Jhelum are the major tributaries of the Indus in India. First river, Chenab. Chenab is also known as Chandrabhaga because formed by two streams, that is the Chandra and the Bhaga. Chenab is the largest tributary of the Indus. The Chenab flows about 1180 km before entering the Pakistan, and it is one of the Indian tributaries, lower part tributaries, meets Indus directly. Next river, Jhelum. Jhelum is an important tributary of the Indus. Rise from a spring at Verinag, situated at the foot of the Pir Panjal. The Jhelum flows through Srinagar and the Ular Lake before entering into Pakistan. Jhelum joined the Chenab near the Jhang in Pakistan. Next, River Ravi. Originating from the Rotang Pass in the Kulu Hills of Himachal Pradesh and flowing through the Chamba Valley of the state. Ravi is one of the important tributaries of the Indus. Length of Ravi is 720 km and total catchment area are 14,442 square km. Ravi meets Chenab in Pakistan. Next river, Satluj. Also popular as Langchan Khambab in Tibet. Satluj originates from the Raka lakes near Manas Sarovar. At an altitude of 4,505 meter in Tibet. The Satluj passes through the Sipkila on the Himalayan range and enters into the Punjab plains. Length of Satluj river is 150 km in India, and the Satluj is the river that feeds the canal system of the Bhakra Nangal project. Satluj meets in Chenab in Pakistan. Last tributaries of lower part in India is Beas. Originating from the Biskundo near Rotang Pass at an elevation of 4,000 meter above mean sea level. Beas is also an important tributary of the Indus. Beas enter into Punjab plains and meets with the Satluj near Harike. In these five rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj are called Panchanath. And this area is called Punjab. Basin area of Indus River. An area drained by a river and its tributaries is known as a drainage basin. Total basin area of Indus River is 11,65,000 square km and in 3,21,289 square km.